Welcome to Music Theory Made Simple, and in today's episode we're going to learn how to play Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Old MacDonald Had a Farm is in the key of G major and the starting note is G, our tonic note is G. So we find middle C, count up to G, C, D, E, F, G, and this is our starting note. So here is Old MacDonald played slowly. Probably the hardest part about playing Old MacDonald is the middle section, where in the song you would be singing with a moo-moo here or a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. When you play it on a piano or on a keyboard, there are a lot of G's, a lot of repeated notes because it's all on the same pitch. So when you're playing it, I advise you to think about the rhythm of that part of the song. With a moo-moo here, moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo, moo. That will help you keep that section in time. So here is Old MacDonald again at the correct speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Have fun playing Old MacDonald Had a Farm, and we look forward to seeing you again here on Music Theory Made Simple.